Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with a design kit, a mystery design kit from Sawflex. They sent it over. I took a peek already, but I wanted to show you. This is the one from July. It was the Peace and Love design kit. So they said it's the summer of love. We have a groovy collection of beads, man. Go with the flow and feel the vibe. This Primo bead kit is sure to inspire, and you don't have to spend a lot of bread to look far out. Right on. Be a free thinker and make some mellow jewelry that will blow your mind. This themed mix of beading supplies is a delight. You dig? Don't be a downer. Tune in and turn on with this hip design kit. That's so cute. I love it when people have fun. So they revealed this kit on July 27th. And they also have the August kit. Today's September 1st, available, or I don't know if it's August or September. It's called Foxy Lady, and it went on sale yesterday. So, but we're going to look at Peace and Love. They said their design kit retails for $33.95 and includes everything you need to make a few jewelry projects right out of the package, minus tools. So you have to use your own tools. And each kit is lovingly curated based on a theme by the staff every month. And then every last Wednesday of the month at 3 Pacific, they do a live Facebook video where they unwrap the kit for that month and make a project on camera so that everybody can get some inspiration. Now, this kit might be sold out, but then the next kit, Foxy Lady, will be available for purchase. And I'll leave links to everything in the description box below. So I'm going to put the contents right here, and we're going to go through everything. So we have some Sawflex antique brass color 0.19 millimeter medium beading wire. I actually don't know if that's 0.19. Oh, it's 0.19 inches, 0.48 millimeter. That makes more sense. I don't think I had this color, which is awesome. I have the silver, and you guys know that I use the silver a lot. Or, I'm sorry, I have the copper, and you know that I use the copper a lot. So I know I'm probably going to end up using this because I love antique brass. And then I need to get some more copper. Then we have some sterling silver crimp tubes. I love Sawflex's crimp tubes. They're the bomb. I love them. Then we have a silver plated ear wires with a ball. And I actually really love their ear wires too because they're pretty easy. You don't even need a pair of pliers to open them up. They're just so nice. Look at this. Doesn't that make you happy that you just go like that, put your thing on, and then close it with your thumbs? Sometimes you just don't want to get out your tools. And then we got a silver plated lobster clasp and a Green Girl Studios Peace Dove charm. That's cool. I love Green Girl Studios. I only have a few pieces, and I haven't been able to. Maybe I used one, I can't remember, but I haven't been able to make myself use the others. Look how cute this is. So we have a dove on one side and a peace sign on the other. I think I like the peace sign side the best, but they're both super cute. I like that. I like that we got an artisan piece. I know, Tiara Cast is beautiful, but I love that this is an artisan piece made by Green Girl Studios. And then we've got some beads. So we've got a Jesse James Beads custom bead mix. Okay, we'll open this up and go through it. This is fun. This is yummy. I'm seeing I know this is supposed to be Peace and Love, but I'm seeing Halloween here. Maybe I'm in a Halloween frame of mind. I'm going to be doing 13 days of Halloween if I'm not in the middle of selling my house, which I might be at that point. So I'm not promising anything. We've got some cute little Czech glass. Oh gosh, what do we call it? These are like bumpy beads, but I can't remember what I call them. Oh, it'll come to me. Those are super cute. We've got some cage beads, and my cage beads have some beads stuck in the cage beads. We've got a 2-for, 3-for. All right, so this is what the cage bead's supposed to look like without a bead inside of it. So super fun. These will be easy to get out with like a poker tool or some tweezers. I just don't want to take the time to do that right at this moment. Oh, there we go. There we go. And then we've got some acrylic like I don't know if these are called sugar beads. I don't know what these are called. They're pretty, really fun and sparkly, even though they're acrylic. And then we've got some Sheriff Stars, which I really love. We've got some, these are almost like chandelier pieces. I think these are, you know what? At first I thought they were acrylic, but I think they're glass. Because I'm not seeing like a line and there's a bubble and they sound like glass. Interesting. Then we've got some fun bright orange drops, some hot pink bite cones, some purpley pink drops. Ooh, that's cool. A black rhinestone spacer. We've got a toggle, a couple of silver beads, and they've got crystals on the inside and they make fun noise. Some pearls in orange. Ooh, these are really pretty. They've got an AB on them. A couple more Czech beads. They're nice, like swirl. And then another one of these. This one actually has a swirl through it too. That's fun. Oh, and some black Czech glass. That's a really fun little mix. The black, I know I've seen pink and black before and orange and pink before, but I don't think I've seen orange, pink, and black before, and I like that. That's like a really fun, funky, colorful Halloween mix to me. Then we have a hot pink faceted Czech glass rounds. I think that's what this is. These are matte. And look, they're so hot that the camera really can't pick up that color, at least from my screen. That is cool. I love those. We've got black and blue Czech glass rounds. Okay, so they got some flash on them. We have a peach metallic Czech glass fire polish round strand. These almost look like rose gold, but they're calling them peach metallic. That's fun. We have rose Czech glass pips, which if I have any pips, I don't have a lot of them, and that's so much fun. Those are so cute. I actually saw such a cute design online. One of the subscribers made such a beautiful bracelet necklace kit, and I'm like, oh, I want to make that. But so I might I might have to save some of the beads so I can make that for myself. But we're going to come up with another design in a different video. This is just going to be the unboxing today. And then last but not least, we have orange swirl faceted Czech glass barrels. So these are super cool. I haven't seen these before. At least I don't think I've seen them before. And I just really love that shape, and like the yellow with the orange. Beautiful. And I struggle to find like really nice orange Czech glass. So I think this mix is so unexpected, but I really love the pink and the orange together. It's a really good combo. And I really enjoy everything that they included. I'm gonna take some time to kind of like think on this one. I don't want to just do the unboxing and then immediately just make something, because I want it to be fun and I want it to be a neat design. So we'll come back. Thank you for watching. I'll put all the information in the description box. If you have any questions, let me know. And let me know what your favorite thing was from the box. I hope you have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Goldie? Goldie, we can see your butt. Goldie. There she is. Oh, so cute. Hello. It's a baby. It's a cutie butt. Yeah, you're so cutie butt. Hi.